Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about ZealSea. So it's different sheet mask. I believe it's seven of them inside here, and they have different ingredients. So what you want to do is clean your face, apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just remove the mask and let dry the excess on your skin. So this is every pore is breathing with green tea. This one is with pomegranate. This one has aloe soothing. It looks very pretty, the package. And this one is orange, vitamin C, and avocado. So there is another one here. There's two more here. The coffee, anti-aging, and the honey nourishing. So this is great even for a gift. It doesn't have alcohol or parabens. The ingredients, as you can see here, they're very natural, and they're fun because they have different ingredients, so you can pick which sheet your skin needs the most. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.